Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Messenger Notes feature not showing. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and search for the Messenger, and you need to update your Messenger application. So once you complete that step, you simply need to go back and open Messenger, and here you can see that notes feature is now enabled. So let's suppose still you are facing an issue and you are unable to see this, so you simply need to go back and open settings of your smartphone and go into the app management, click on app list, search for the messenger. Here you need to click on storage and cache. The first step, you need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage, and then you need to allow all permissions from here like this, and after that you need to log in into your messenger and your issue will be resolved. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.